Welcome to the trial. Today's case is lost. Now begin. Before we start talking about who the killer is, I was just wondering, why did Law wanted a party? He idiot, he wanted a party so he don't kill over that motive. Oh, oops. So can we just say that they is the killer? Oh, putting the blame on me. I can just prove that you're wrong. At the crime scene, there was a piece of glass. It was from one of my potions, but I didn't put it there. The killer wanted to frame me.
Yeah, that's right, Zay. I think the killer was trying to frame you.
I know that. I was just waiting for you to say that. So wait, is the killer one of the people who had a pool key? I think it's adventurous.
Wait, what? No! It can't be one of the people who got the key. Wait, what is this? I know that many guns and guns but I didn't have the key last. No, that's wrong! Well, Adventure, you did have the key last. So, I don't know what to say. Wait. When was the murder at night or day?
Looks like it's time for the scum debate. The killer can only do it at day. Really? So do you saying that they can't do it at night? So if it was nighttime, the pool will be locked. Yeah, but that's why the killer is one of the people who had the key.
Man, just look at this one. He was killed in the daytime. I got the point. Sorry, Adventure, so he was killed at night.
This is our answer.
I knew it. He was killed at night. Wait! I didn't do it! Please, 10. Tell them they are wrong! Sorry, Adventures, but... I'm sorry. Objection! Ethan, look what you made me do. Now, I need to tell you how I won. Tim, why are you telling me that I'm wrong? You are wrong. I can't have the key at the same time. I don't have the key. And cover your key? Well, I don't have the full key on me. I lost it.
Are you sure that the pool key was stolen?
No, it's wrong. Wait, Nick, why do you think that the full key was stolen?
I don't know, I was just guessing.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Well, I think that you are the killer.
What? Me? Are you sure about that? So you are wrong. I am not the killer. You are wrong. Shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up! No proof, no proof. Don't blame me. I hate you, I hate you, I hate you. How can you prove me that the pool key was, that I have the pool key?
That is the truth. You are the one who stole the pool key. Now, I will tell you what happened. It happened after the party. The killer had a meetup with the law. He needed the key. But Paul didn't know that he was going to die. The killer sat there and pulled the ice poster into the wall. And the killer watched the blood off the knife. And I know who did it. Was it you? Then, do it I can. We are ready to vote.
Okay then, now it's time for voting. You guys are right. Things did it. Please don't. It's punishment time.
Why so serious?
Holy wooden tables.
I love a good kill. Anyway, see you next time.